and gals, and welcome back to another janky garage. I don't know what to call this, honestly. Me and my terrible buy of an IS300, but don't worry, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're stripping her down. We're going to take off the bumpers, well, the front bumper and the back bumper, and that's about it. If you guys don't know what the next project is, we're getting a body kit for the car. We already came up with a body kit. We already know what color we're putting her back into. And Blaze, I don't know if we actually told you about this, but when I say we, as in me, I don't know if we told you what the name of the car is now.
I think, yeah, I remember you saying.
Yeah, we came up with some good ideas, and someone came up with a pretty damn good idea, and you know what? I'll take it. It's a good meme for me, at least. We're gonna call it Alexus because, get it? It's a Lexus. It's just putting like an IS at the end of my name, which is funny because it's an IS. Oh my god, I'm just finding jokes after jokes with this car. I did not actually plan on thinking about that.
I'm pretty sure I told you that.
No, I don't remember you, dude. That was my idea, Blaze. Don't take it away from me.
Well, you told me like the first time, and then I made the joke of Alexus like IS because it's an IS.
That is true. Well, you know what? No. I made that joke. Come over here. We're gonna have to...
I know you made like because
you're helping me take this apart today.
Okay.
This is happening. So, tell us what's our first step, buddy.
Pretty much just gotta get the...
Which one of these tools do we have to use first, bud? I know you're not good at this.
I would say probably the pliers if we're gonna be starting with the zip ties.
Okay, good. You know where the zip ties are. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, this is what's holding majority of the bumpers together. You see that back bumper there? It's kind of falling off. I'm not sure. All I know is everything is hanging off for dear life. I don't know how this car got back here and it's, you know, in one piece without dying on me. But, Jesus Christ. How old do you think these are? They look pretty brand new.
Yeah, probably within the last year.
It's so sad we gotta take off perfectly good zip ties. Oh, don't trip, my dude.
Yeah, I'm trying not to. Oh.
Well, that's a screw we gotta take out there. Great, more tools I gotta get. Okay, come on, that didn't break. Woo! Oh my god, there's more zip ties! Holy shit, dude! Oh, look at that, they got bigger zip ties holding the crash bar together. Dang, son!
That is a fat zip tie.
Yeah, there's some big boy zip ties. We have a few of them here, actually. They hold big stuff down. Okay, I gotta get a screwdriver for that, but let's see if I can find any more zip ties to snip off. Because I know half of over here is all zip ties. Yeah, look at that. Look at all those zip ties. And half the fender gone because it rubs, because the front shocks are shot. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, no. You know, these pliers are really overkill for this little project. She's showing her colors, boys. She's showing her colors. Oh, is this fender held together?
It's being zip tied on.
Yeah, but oh my god, did they? Oh, dude. The indicator's already here. It's just colored.
Oh my god.
It's just, they put the primer over this. Whoever primed this car, oh my god. They primed over the lens. I'm gonna have to sand that down. Oh god, I'm just finding more projects for myself, aren't I? Makes good episodes, I guess.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know how to get any of this off. Okay, come on. There we go. Easy. Alright, let's go try that on the other side. See where we get. Okay, what's holding this together? Zip ties and a screw. Not bad. We found some screws, dude. I'm glad. I'm glad there's something at least holding this thing together.
Not bad, I'm glad.
Oh man, that's a 10mm, isn't it? Oh, please tell me. Yes, I do. Always come prepared. Oh man. I'm tightening it.
Jesus.
Gotta go fast, boy, gotta go fast. Is this finally out? Thank you. Woo. I got a screw. Can't lose that now. I hope we don't lose it. What's this being held down by? A zip tie? No, it's actually another 10mm.
Wow.
Yep. Oh, that's the great thing about Japanese cars, or any cars nowadays. Everything's going to 10mm screws. Majority of the Japanese cars are though.
Yeah, since they actually use metrics.
But it just makes life easier because everyone's losing the 10mm. Watch, some point in this video we're gonna lose this socket, and I bet you anything. We will. All right, moment of truth. Oh, she's being held on by the middle. Oh shit! We're literally
Just gotta get up in there now.
We gotta take its face off. Hang on a sec.
Oh yeah, I see the giant one. I don't know if, yeah, you can see it right down there.
At the crash bar.
Yeah, the giant zip tie that's holding it.
No, that's not holding it together.
Oh.
It just looks like it.
Oh, it's just, okay.
What one do I gotta use? Which one? Come on. Easy. Remember those little kid toys where they have the shapes?
Yeah.
And it's like, which one fits? I can't even get this to, there we go. It is so hot and like, oh, this whole thing's gonna come off. Alright, you stay right there.
That's a little worrying.
What?
Oh, if you had to unscrew another one to make it come off. Oh, it's the other one.
No.
Shit.
No, I think the fender's still holding on to it. Yeah, I gotta take that off. Oh, we gotta go take her off now. Dude, this thing's gonna look so cool when it has like the whole face off. It's gonna look like a race car, but it's not really a race car. But
Yeah.
woo! Look at that. That's her face. Oh my goodness. Dude, look at the car. He looks like a real race car. It kind of reminds me of a Subaru now, or like a WRX. Oh yeah, don't mind the truck. We were taking some photos of them. Yeah, we're those guys now because I have a DSLR. I can do that now. And I don't know how it works. I'm learning, so don't judge a book by its cover, ladies and gentlemen. Shock is now collapsed.
Yeah.
And it doesn't actually have a shock anymore. This is what happens when I was rubbing every time we turned. That was that turning. It was just all this rubbing away. Oh, how bad is the other side? Oh, the other side wasn't too bad. Oh no, it was. He got all up here. Jeez. This poor car, man. Not that I ever went well for it. I'm sorry. You're gonna get a whole new body kit. You're gonna get all your dings and dents fixed. I gotta get rid of this next. I gotta bring a mask for that one. Might have to do that in a whole different episode. Oh god. Why did you let me buy this, boys?
I don't know.
That's a terrible friend, man. You'd be a terrible friend if you told me not to buy it too.
So either way, I don't win.
Either way. All right, so I guess we're gonna have to go down to the back now. All right, so now we gotta move down to the bumper here. Like I said, none of this, we are not professionals at it by any means. Actually, I'm pretty sure this is all the 3 tools we'll actually need to take this bumper off. Again, not all these cars are the same. Here's how I'm gonna tell you the difference. This is the difference from number 1. Most OEM cars don't need zip ties to hold fenders together. That's not OEM. If that's OEM, then I'm so sorry, Toyota. I'm so sorry I even doubted you guys for a slightest second there. Does this whole thing just rip off the ways?
I don't think so. I think there's probably something next to the trunk.
The thing is, there's not one here too. That's what's confusing me, but we'll see what
Could be,
happens.
yeah, that.
Unless what if there never was supposed to be a screw here?
Possibly. It doesn't really look like it should be there.
I don't know, man. Watch him just literally put a bolt straight through the car.
Yeah.
Just to get it to keep the bumper from falling down. It looks like an OEM bolt. Oh my god, he really did drive a screw right through it. He threw in a set screw. Look at that. He put a hole in the car.
Oh my god.
Get up close up on that. I want people to see this is... Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I can't be upset. Weight reduction. That's a little bit of metal left. Not on this car, meaning we're shaving down the speed as we go. We already got the back seat out. We got the front bumper off, so we're gonna get this back rear end off. Dude, I can't believe he put a set screw. I can't believe that.
I kind of believe it, honestly.
No, like, come on, man. I know some people like do some janky shit, but that is the worst I've seen so far. I've seen bad weld jobs and all, but to try just to sell this car off. There's a zip tie holding there, isn't it? Yep, zip tie. Ah, come on, I'm crimping it. Woo!
Oh my god.
Broke a zip tie.
Lol.
What's holding this up?
What the? What was that?
Something done did broke. I don't know what it was, but it broke. Okay, so what? I'm seeing something behind here. I don't know if it's just like a part of the body. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't ever recommend doing this, but boom! Don't ever really do that though. That could have been
Very bad.
yeah. Not too bad of a back bumper. I could sell this back off. I think. If you're, oh god.
If you're desperate.
No, this is still a good bumper. If whoever wants to buy it, I mean, they'll have to. I would primarily ask you to do a good sanding down again, clean it up. You can shoot some good paint over this and revive it. People could do that.
Sure.
Dang. It's because you know nothing about cars. Somebody would take this if they wanted like an OEM spec piece. They could definitely do that. They would, Blaze. Don't freaking question it. You know what? All right.
I wasn't really questioning you. I was just trying to follow you in a circle.
Okay.
While I'm accidentally stepping on that.
All right. So we're done now.
Yeah,
That's it.
pretty much. That is some pretty bareback.
That is a pretty back. That's the real color of the car too. And what is this?
What is that?
It's one of the pins that holds the, I think the bumper in place. Yeah,
Wow,
it's
and it was just kind of
plastic
sitting there?
I guess so. Things wear out over time, but yeah, that's the original color of the car. Not whatever that excuse for primer is. That kills me about this whole paint job. The fact that he put and he screwed up too. It's not even like he messed up once. Like, oh, I was able to drive it straight through.
Yeah, it started trailing off.
Yeah, he trailed the fuck off all the way over here, and then he decided, hey, I'm gonna go again, and then all of a sudden, then he gets in there. It's like, really, man? Really? That's upsetting. That's real upsetting. Oh well. Oh, I got a hold of my car now. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna end it off here. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. Dislike it if you disliked it. Yeah, so now that we have a name for her, find a name for the blue one. I don't know. We used to call her Fronty. Somebody called her Fronty one time and I thought it was funny, but I don't know. Figure out a name for her in the comment section below. I love you all. Blaze. Go follow Blaze on Twitch. Was it The Gamers?
The Gamers one.
Yeah, him. Follow him on Twitter. Yeah, I'll leave his link in the description. So, yeah, hope you all have a good day. Love you all. Bye.